Hello friends, my channel provide in most information of about insurance. What is the insurance? An insurance definition, how it work and main type of insurance. Okay, let's start it. Insurance definition, how it work and main type of insurance. Okay, this article provide all all information about insurance. What is insurance? And insurance is the contact. Insurance is the contact of represented by a policy is which policyholder received finance protection against losses from an insurance company. The company pool client risk a make payment over affordable for the insured. Most people have some insurance for the car, their home, house, and their health care and their life. Insurance policy against financial losses resulting from accidental injuries, a property damage. Insurance also help cover costs associated with liability, legal responsibility for damage, injuries, and cause of third party. How does insurance work? Many insurance policy type are available and mortality any individual or business can find our insurance company willing to insurance then for a price common personal insurance policy type and auto health our owner and life insurance most individual and United States have list one of the type insurance and car insurance required by state of law. Insurance policy components. Understanding how insurance work can help our choose policy for insurance. Comprehensive coverage may or may not be of right type of auto insurance. Three components of any insurance type of premium policy limited premium. A policy premium is the price, typically a month cost, often an insurance type, multiple factors in accounts and set premium are the few example. Auto insurance, history of the property and auto claim, age and location, and many of factor of vary by state. Home insurance premium, the value of our home, personal bungalows, location, claim history, and cover amount. Health insurance premium, age, sex, location, health state, and coverage level. Life insurance, age, sex, tobacco, US health, and amount of coverage. Policy limit, the policy limit is the minimum amount of
आहट सी फैली मेरे हर सू पूरा
minimum
दिन बस गर्मी और पसीना भाड़ में जाए ये महीना जी चाहता है इसकी तो
policy limit. The policy limit is the minimum amount of insurer will pay the and cover loss under a policy. Maximum may be sent per period. Annual policy team per loss of injuries and over the life of policy not to the life maximum. And different part of this insurance deductible type of insurance many types of insurance: health insurance, home insurance and auto insurance, life insurance, travel insurance. Okay dear, I am provide mostly common insurance information. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you very much.